here at the Power Electronics Show in Den Bosch. We're meeting up with Jos Klaassen. And Jos, you know, you've got
a very nice race car indeed.
And you have a story to tell. What is it?
Yes, we certainly do. So we're from University Racing Eindhoven, a student team from the Technical University of Eindhoven. And every year we design, develop and produce an electric race car.
Okay.
Well, this is a two-wheel drive example, but now we're producing a four-wheel drive electric race car.
A four-wheel drive.
Four-wheel drive, indeed. Yeah. So we have motors in each individual wheel, each year we compete in races during the summer. So we have a design cycle of 1 year, and during the summer break we go to races in, for example, Spain, Germany,
and you
in the
race
Netherlands.
Against other universities?
Yes, certainly.
And,
so
and you win?
We hope so.
Okay, so the races still have to start.
Yes, they have to start, and we'll see how it goes in the summer.
When do you think Verstappen will, have Formula One electric cars?
Well, we'll see in the future. But if Verstappen wants to drive in our car, he's always welcome. So if he's listening, then maybe we can arrange something. So we're a little below 7 kilowatt hours, and that's a battery of 400 volts. Okay. And then we have a limit to the power we can use during a race, and the power limit's at 80 kilowatts.
Okay.
Those specs, they can get us from 0 to 100 in 2.3 seconds.
Okay.
That's quite an impressive acceleration.
Quite impressive.
Yes, we have many partners, so it's really not possible without the partners, but we try to develop as many things in the car by ourselves, and we really think that that's the way to get maximum performance. So most parts on the car, except for example the seat belts or other parts like the ECU, those are the only two big examples I can think of which are not self-developed.
Okay.
So things like the inverter, the motors, all the electronics, they are self-developed. So we have really full control over the eventual outcome of the car and the production process.
And that is also part of your study, because you're studying electrotechnical engineering.
Yes, that's my education.
What year are you?
Second year bachelor student, and I'm a part-time member of the team. So we have about 50 students in the entire team, a little bit more this year, and 10 of them are full-time. So they decided to put their studies aside for a year and focus on the team, and the rest is part-time members.
Okay.
Yes, certainly.
You drove it yourself?
Yes. So at the end of the year, there's a team bedankdag in Dutch. So all team members can drive around in the car to see what we've been working on for the entire year.
Great. I hope you have a good time and a lot of success with all the racing.
Thank you very much.
Okay. Thanks very much. See you. True.
Zeynep and Zeynep.
Zeynep and Zeynep.
Yeah.
Sorry for that. Yeah. What brings you here?
What brings me here? Well, a teacher told us to come and see and to get motivated, to learn about everything that's going on in this world of electronics and electricity.
You are a student?
I'm a student, first year.
You both are students?
Yes.
Yeah. What education?
At the Amsterdam University of Applied Sciences, we study electrical engineering.
Okay, that is a specific choice.
Yeah.
How did you get there?
I was interested in it, and my mom studied it, so I thought let's give it a chance, and I like it.
In a couple of years' time, I might interview you on something very specific.
Yeah, we hope so. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
We see an instrument with a smile, and Chris van Asten van Yokogawa can explain why is this instrument smiling.
Yes, this instrument is smiling because we have, of course, especially for this exhibition, we programmed a smile on this instrument. But what you see here is a scope coder that you can use for measurements for a longer time. So what we did is we programmed with a signal function generator, two signals, and we combined them to this smiley. So we have here writing down the XY diagram, especially for this exhibition we created this smiley, and but it also shows the functionality of this instrument. So we can measure combined signals, and this gives us a happy face.
Yokogawa is a very specific supplier of test and measurement equipment.
Yes, of course. We are specialized in power analyzers, and we also have scope coders and scopes. Other products are like function generators and sources. That's our specialty.
Yeah, thank you very much for your time.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you.